crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am back to share how to put together this cute little box for the Sizzix die set that I bought from Hobby Lobby. So cute. And this is the back of the die set. And I just wanted to show you how to put together the box because it does get a little, a little hairy from here to there. I'm going to use my Empress Mini to put together the project. If you have a small die cutting machine with an opening of at least 3.5 inches or bigger, like the Diamond Press Marquee, that can work to cut this. Any smaller, like those that are like 2 inches, it won't work. But I'm using the Empress Mini to cut this out. So let's put it together. Now, if you notice on the die, there are nice little score lines for you. If you use thicker cardstock, I mean, try it with 110, but just try it. Can't hurt, right? You may have to take out your scoring tool and just score it again just to get a good score. So this is what it'll come out like with the scoring. This is a regular Michaels 65-pound cardstock. They're a little pack of 50. Alrighty, so let me put this together now. So you're going to cut 2 pieces. Okay, have to take a seat. Get my little bone folder, my little Teflon bone folder. Fold it right here. Get a nice crisp fold. Fold it again here. Now where it gets a little hairy is this little fold here, but I guess it just went easy this time. I use a softer paper here, and it was a little harder to get the creases in and everything. This one seems to be a little bit firmer than, yeah. So it depends on the quality of your cardstock. So if the paper is too thin and it's not holding up, switch the cardstock. Feel the quality of the cardstock. This one has a little bite to it, a little sturdiness to it. That's kind of nice. Here is where it gets, just take your time with that little tiny one. There. And to put it together, I used wet glue, not score tape. And I'm a big score tape person, but with this one, wet glue. I didn't try it with a glue stick. I don't have a glue stick, so I don't know. But wet glue works. And you can get the Scotch tacky glue, Target, Walmart, Michaels. So put it on one end, fold it in, and hold. There we go. So you want to do one side first. Now when I first got it, I was twisting it all over the place because I don't know why. I was just having a hard time putting it together. I was like, this thing. But once you get the hang of it, then you can start to really, go for it. So it goes pretty much like that. Now, next up, you're going to want to do this side, this panel. Put a little bead of glue. Bring it over. Let that back flap hang. That's okay. It's going to fold onto itself. Just line it up and hold. So right here, you still have control over it. You can use your bone folder now. And then here, right here, I popped here, the little edge. Folded that up. Hold it again. Like so. And you can still get into this. It's still open. And now, this is what I did. I did glue at the bottom, glue on the side. Tuck it in, like so. And then work it out. There we go. Use your little bone folder. Come down here. Make sure all your edges are nice and glued. You can use your bone folder. Push it in here on the inside. And there you have it. you have your wonderful little treat bag ready to put your super adorable, super cute snowman, reindeer, gingerbread, or let's say you want to get mileage out of your treat bag, you can make a little happy birthday. Why not? Stick a bow on it. Anything, anything. It is open though. So just know that this is, I mean, nah, you really can't close it. And there's also a tag in the set here. So you could even, you know, just put a, run the tag, punch a hole, tie it up, and just have that. So this is a nice little bonus with the set. I think that's why the price of the die was not exactly, you know, it was a $30 die. But use a coupon at Hobby Lobby and make such super adorable treats. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching the video, and until next time, stay crafty my friends. Bye for now.